This is Keith Taylor with Bekaert. I'm here today to answer a pretty common question that we get on our Facebook page and on our Ask the Fence Pro page, and that's how do I strip the stays away on a field fence product? So you're going to need a couple of things: a good pair of safety glasses to protect your eyes, a good pair of gloves, and a good pair of flat blade or lineman style pliers. And for this process, you just simply clip the stay right in the middle between your line wires. Take your flat blades and place them right around where the machine cuts at, and then rotate the stay opposite the twist. When you do that, it loosens it up and it just lets you slide the stay right off of the line wire. Again, you just clip the stay, grab hold right against the machine cut, rotate the stay opposite the twist, and simply slide it off. Remember, when it comes time to purchase your fencing products, remember Bekaert, made in the USA.